Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on guitar. To begin, focus on developing a strong foundation in heavy metal techniques. Ensure your guitar is tuned to a low drop tuning, which is crucial for that signature crushing sound. You will also need to dial in a high-gain distortion setting on your amplifier to achieve the aggressive and powerful tone characteristic of doom metal. Mastering doom riffs involves several key techniques. Practice palm muting to create a tight, percussive chugging sound, essential for heavy rhythms. Incorporate power chords extensively, as they form the thick, foundational sound of many doom tracks. Additionally, work on your alternate picking speed and accuracy to execute those driving, repetitive patterns with precision. Doom metal often features a distinct song structure and rhythmic approach. Focus on slow tempos and crushing, repetitive riffs that build a hypnotic atmosphere. Utilize syncopation to create rhythmic tension and add depth to your playing. Experiment with dynamic shifts, moving between loud, distorted sections and quieter, more atmospheric passages for maximum impact. Achieving the iconic doom guitar tone requires specific gear and settings. Select guitars equipped with humbucker pickups for their powerful output and thick sound. Consider using a tube amplifier, as its natural overdrive characteristics are perfect for heavy distortion. Finally, add a fuzz pedal to your setup for extreme saturation, sustain, and that signature wall of sound texture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.